Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, well I just got home from work. I got this package in today from the lock-picking Lebowski. It contains one of his challenge locks. And I do know he has his own picking channel, so go check out his channel. But yeah, first we're going to see if we can pick open his lock here. He sent this lock to me, so thank you very much, my friend, for, giving me the opportunity to pick your lock on my channel. But yeah, that was pretty cool. Let's get it open and, well, we'll see if we can get into it. Let's see what we got here. Let me make sure we don't have a note here. It says, good luck, the dude. Okay. Well, I guess he's wishing me luck. Alright, might need it. Might need it just to get this open. There's a Kwikset. And this key is mummied. So, but we're just going to, well, I guess we don't need the key, right? Let's put it in the vise here. Well, the last thing that was in this was my Dremel. I gotta close this up quite a bit. Alright, let's put this thing, and we'll use a couple of leathers. And we will see if we can get into the lock-picking Lebowski's challenge lock here. Alright, let me zoom it up a little bit for us. That should be good. Alright, I'm going to use top of the keyway. And I should be able to use my Tron, or excuse me, my Atala. Here's a Kwikset. Alright, let's see what we have. Pin 1, but doesn't want to seem to set for me. Alright, let me try this again. Pin 2. I need to tighten this up a little bit more. Still think it's one that needs to be set. That was, I think, 4, but that was 3. I got a little turn on the core. Got a little bit more. I think that was from 4. Got that second one, that's going to be way up there. But I think I might have got them because I got a nice little falset right there. I think I'm getting a little feedback on 5, but Not sure if I could reach him. Let me go to a deeper hook here for a check in the back. Okay, I might have got him, but I kind of lost that false set. I'll go back to the Tron here. I think I'm about to lose my wrench too. Okay. Got some counter there. Got a good click out of 5 that time, but still kind of lost that false set. Nope, we're open on 5, I believe. Okay. Let's take this out of the lock, or out of the vise here, excuse me. Put it down on the table. Let me zoom this out for us. Let me grab my pinning tray. That was a fun lock. I mean, I got some nice feedback from it. Got a nice false set from it. Try not to lock it up. Although, I think we are going to open up that key. Matter of fact, I'm going to start showing the keys because he might have modified this too. So let's see if we got, what do we got here? That's a bitting on the key, so we had to reach way up to grab these in the back. That's why I had to grab that deeper hook there. But let's see how the key works. It's got a little bit of a hang up, but it still works very nicely. And let's see if we get this clip off. A little bit too small for this, but we have other we have other options here. West Coast Picks gave me a couple of awesome type of clip removers. The sucker's on there tight though. Wow. Let me try this one more time. See if I can get underneath it. This clip is on there, guys. Nope, that's just gonna spin around. Let me try this one. Wow. I hate these clips. And this one here is giving me a big problem. Well, we might be able to reach it now. Yes. Oh, wow. Dang. That's got to be the toughest clip I have taken off in a long time. I hate those clips. You can actually hurt yourself doing it. Alright, but we're going to shim this. Sorry about that, guys. Maybe. This lock looks like it's a little beat up here. Let me see. Probably because of that clip. But we got it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Got all 5 in there, they're all working. They're all pretty low below the shear line, except for that pin 2, which I thought was a high one, but it was actually pin 3 that I was trying to reach around to get. But, alright, let's see what we got here. Well, we have a standard in 1, standard in 2, very short standard in 3, another short one in 4, and 5. All standards down below. Nothing done here to the core. So let's see what he's got up here. Got a standard in 1 and a copper spring. So far all standards. We have a commercial spool here in 2. Another copper spring. Commercial spool. Or no, that's a steel spring. That's a brass spring. I think we have a copper, steel, and a brass. And then we have this that was actually stuck in the spring. And I believe he was that way. I could be wrong. He might have been this way. Kind of missed that one. We have another spool in 5. And a very little, what looks like to be maybe a copper spring. And nothing done up here. Alright, excuse me. Let's take a peek at his pins. Okay, well, we have all standards down below, and then we have a standard in 1, and I think that is either copper or brass. We have spool in 2, and I think that's a steel spring, spool in 3, copper spring possibly. This little pin you probably had in there for a T-pin, possibly this way I believe. So that's the way I would think it would be in there. And a steel spring and another spool here and a little itty bitty I want to say that's copper, but okay, that was pretty cool. Still a fun lock. Thank you very much, Lockpick and Lebowski. I appreciate you sending it my way. But yeah, alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below, and yeah, everybody, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.